All right, here we are in the train room, and there's the light bulb mounted in the 400. Pretty simple way to wire this. And let's put it on the rail and see if we have a headlight. And we do. Unfortunately, this only runs one direction. So turn it around. And you'll see that it acts quite good, or actually works quite well. Instant headlight for 490, where it had none before. So it's really, really simple to do this. All it takes is the correct light bulb. And as you can see, that light bulb fits in there rather well. And it's about 1.5 watts, so it's more than bright enough for this application. And it's really, really simple to do. One wire goes to the wiper for the axle. One wire goes directly to the main contactor. This is really crude, but I just wanted you to show, or just wanted to show how really simple it is to do this. It only takes a couple of minutes. You have to have a soldering iron to do it with. But it doesn't take much, and in 10 minutes you can put a light bulb in a 490 or a 400. For that matter, you can use this application to put a light bulb in virtually any Marx train that was not set up for one. So let me take this back down the track. And run it back towards us. So a Marx 490 with a headlight that can be installed in a matter of just a few minutes. This works. It works really, really well. It's really simple to do it. That's more than bright enough. And it gives you a chance to put a light in an engine that was never meant to have one. And it's really, really simple. You can get these light bulbs at an automotive store. And it only takes a few minutes to do the modification. So I'll run this one more time. And as you can see, it has a headlight. It has a headlight that works really, really well. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It works. It's a really simple way to modify these really, really simple engines that did not come equipped with a headlight. And as you see, it fits in there actually rather well. And it's just a few wires attached to it. Wrap it with tape. That makes it a nice snug fit. And then feed the wire down to the motor. One wire goes to the wiper going to the axle. That supplies ground. One wire goes to the contactor, which supplies power. And you have an instant headlight on a Marx engine that was never meant to have a headlight. And it's really, really simple to do this. I'll run it up there and we'll run it back one more time. But I just want to do a quick video on how to do this. It's simple. It's inexpensive. These light bulbs are, I don't know, about $2, something like that. And you can get them at an automotive store. And it works. It works perfectly. And it gives you a nice bright headlight. And of course, the faster you run it with a load on it, the brighter that bulb is going to be. And as you see, it fits that bezel almost like it was made for it. And you could probably find one that's a bit larger. But I came across these, and they're easy to work with. They're really inexpensive. The modification only takes a few minutes to do this. And it actually works. It actually works quite well. So I just want to do a quick video on installing a light bulb in a Marx micromotor engine that was not designed to have a light bulb. And as you see, it's a really, really simple way to do it. One wire goes to the top of the contactor. One wire goes to the wiper for the axle. The white one supplies ground, the red one supplies power. It goes up to the light bulb, which is pushed through the bezel and protrudes from the front. And just looking at this, you would never know that this was just thrown together out of parts from an automotive store. It actually looks quite good. And the best part about it, of course, is the fact that it works. And when you put a load on this bulb will get quite bright because it takes more power to run the train. Therefore, you're supplying more power to the light bulb itself. But as you see, it works. It works extremely well. And it costs almost nothing to do this. A few minutes work, and you can add light bulbs to almost any engine at all that is not equipped with one. And this one had no connections at all and no way to mount a light. And it's just a really, really simple way to do this. And as you see, the light bulb looks nice. It's almost the correct size for the hole it's protruding from. It's really easy to change should you ever break it or burn it out. I've never burned one out yet. And these work. It works really, really well. It's a really simple, straightforward, and easy way to add a light bulb to a Marx 400 or the Marx 490 with the micro motor that do not have headlights. It's really, really simple to do this. And they're good and bright when they're under load. It looks like a factory light bulb. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Anyway, it's really simple. It's inexpensive. It only takes a minute to do it. You saw me do it in real time, so it doesn't take much. And these bulbs are available at almost any automotive store. They're hanging, there's two on a card, and I think it's $4.57 or something for both of them. And so it's really cheap. It's really easy. It's straightforward. And the nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. And you can convert all of your early entry-level engines, the 400, the 490, that have the mini motor in them with no provision at all for a headlight. And in yet just a couple of minutes, you can mount a headlight in here that will be really effective. It actually, when you're running this under a load with a consist, that light bulb is quite bright. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.